Hi guys, this video is a room tour of the Andaz Maui at the Wailea resort. Andaz is a luxury boutique hotel under Hyatt and it is opened in 2013. It has 300 guest rooms including 29 villas and 35 suites, and as you can see in the drone footage, this place is huge. As I walk through the hallway, this reminds me of the Japanese style design. The main lobby view is great. You can see the tiered pools and the ocean. Our room is located in the Makai wing. Let's take a look at how our room looks like. And there's a secret louver window that allows the light to come into the bathroom, which I have not noticed it when I walk into the room. It is a 1 king bed partial ocean view on the second floor. The higher the floor, the better the view.